Hey, what is up guys? Yes, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to reset your password. So first you're going to come on over to the help desk. You're going to click this drop down bar. And once I've set it up, it's going to have for help with your passwords. And there's one for the teachers right here. And then the students one will be right here. You're going to click that link that's around this area. You're going to click that. And that's going to take you to your account. And then, so once you're just at Google for now, because this is the way I'm going to do it, you're going to press sign in. And it's going to do its thing. Alright, you might have to log in and do some stuff, but once that's done, come to the waffle, press account, and then you'll be here. Then you're going to go over to security over here, click that, and then signing in with Google, password, right here, password. So you're going to click that twice. And it's going to take you to this page. You might have to log in again with Microsoft. But you're going to put your old password and then your 2 new ones. And that should reset your password. So thank you for watching today's video, and I hope I can help you later.